Hey parents and students, I'm Ms. Shields. I am your AP seminar teacher for the 2021 school year. I wanted to take a brief moment and introduce myself to you so you can kind of get to know me, see my face. And so I look forward to working with each and every one of you for a great and exciting and positive and amazing school year. So I just want to say that I know this is not how we would like things to be. I know this is not the most convenient or the best of circumstances to be meeting in or means to meet through. But we can get through this together. I just hope each and every one of you and your families are staying safe. And we just are going to have to support each other through this with some patience, some flexibility, and creativity. So, without further ado, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about me. Spoiler alert, I'm pretty fabulous. All right. So, I am indeed a native Houstonian. I am actually not only a native Houstonian, I am a third generation Houstonian. So that's what you need to know. So me and Beyonce came straight out of the third. I am a graduate of Incarnate Word Academy High School, which, if you're not familiar, is downtown and literally right across the street from Minute Maid Park. I went to Blinn College in Brenham for 2 years, where I got an AA in English, and then I transferred to Houston Baptist, where I earned a dual Bachelor of Science in Political Science and English. And I know it sounds weird that it's a Bachelor of Science, but it's just because I took more hours in biology because I actually like that course. University of Texas, El Paso, I earned a Master of Fine Art in Creative Writing. So there's that. And I have to say, I'm really proud of my thesis, which we won't get into because I'll nerd out on it. I have been working as a teacher since 2006. I have been with HISD that whole time, so that's 15. This will be my 15th year. Again, I am a third generation teacher. My mother and my grandmother were teachers before me, but I have tons of teachers in my family on both sides. I started in middle school. I started teaching middle school English at Pershing Middle School, and then ended up at Pershing teaching high school speech, and then I transferred to Young Men's for a little while, then went to Young Women's, where I taught English 2, 4, AP Lit, AP Research, AP Seminar, and speech. I taught all those at one time and another there. And for the last 3, this might be my 4th year here at Carnegie, I have been teaching seminar only. I have been teaching seminar for over 5 years. Honestly, I've lost count as to how many specifically. I have been a seminar lead teacher, but I am capstone lead this year for HISD. And this summer was a seminar score for the independent written argument paper, which we'll talk more about at a later time. This particular picture that I have here is when students nominated me and I won the Red Apple Teacher Award. And it's probably the biggest honor I've gotten in teaching. I appreciate that my students appreciate what I do. It is my goal to make sure that when they leave my room, they are not only prepared for the next class, but to go out into the world with skills that they can utilize. And so that is my goal, and I do not limit what my students can learn from me and what they can take outside of my classroom. So a little bit, the most important things you need to know about me, besides me being a nerd and liking school a lot, which is an expensive habit. My other expensive habit is I travel a lot. I love to travel. I've been to every continent on this earth, yes, including Antarctica, which I do not recommend. 1 star completely. The places I would recommend in no particular order and place I would live, favorite places on the planet I have been to thus far are Bangkok, Bangkok, Thailand, San Francisco, California, Florence, Italy, Manhattan, New York, and Yaoundé, Senegal. So I'm just gonna show you a bit of some clips, some pictures of me and my family in various places. So that's Antarctica. Um, yeah, that was Australia, Paris. I think that's Mexico, uh, or Belize. I can't remember. That's Bangkok and Belize. So I guess that other picture was Mexico. Some favorites for me. I know some parents like to know. I do accept Starbucks gift cards. I welcome them. Walmart, Target, even though Target and Amazon are the devil. I do love them. And that's basically what you need to know about me, other than my other obsession, which we're going to talk about and end off the presentation with. You can sing along if you would like to, but without further ado, we'll close out. And I look forward to working with you for the rest of the year. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party and invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me. And the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. See you later.